Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. This is Dr. Ruchi, founder and director of an organization called as Pediatreat. I know I have apologized so many times of not, doing these live videos very frequently, but now I will really try my level best. And the drug that we are going to do today, as you all know, we are studying lac remedies, so I'll try to finish them in this month. So the drug that we are going to do today is lac equinum. What is lac equinum? Equinum is horse's milk. So what happens in these remedies is you get the same feeling that a horse has. So we have, like we study CPR, so we have to understand that kind of a fish or whatever, we are studying lac delphinum, so dolphin ka characteristic. So we study by doctrine of signature. So to understand lac equinum, we have to understand a horse, right? So first I'll tell you some basic things about horse, and then we are going to match it with the characteristic of the lac equinum patient or a person, and then we'll study some basic entry points that you can use in your practice while prescribing this remedy. First of all, studying new remedies is very, very important, because then only you will be aware about new rubrics and new application and a lot of failure cases that you have which are not getting result by normal natrum calcarea sulfur. You'll be able to prescribe more efficiently, right? So there are two ways. Last time also, while telling about lac humanum, I told you that you can study the rubrics and you can go to the provers and provings and what different people feel, and then you can match it, right? So I did everything. I studied everything about lac equinum. I'll share some of my own cases also. तो अभी हम अगर घोड़े की बात करते हैं, हॉर्स की बात करते हैं, तो हॉर्स इज अ लवेबल एनिमल, अफेक्शनेट, सोशेबल. आप देखेंगे कि हॉर्स बहुत लोग अपने फार्म्स में रखते हैं, या किसी ने फार्म हाउस बनाया वहाँ पे हॉर्स रहेगा, right? But you'll be surprised to know that the horse is very discontented and very sad and feels very lonely in spite of all this. And why? तो हॉर्स कहाँ कहाँ यूज होता है? फार्म में यूज होता है, राइट? वी यूज देम इन द फार्म्स, एंड देन वी यूज देम इन बैटल फील्ड्स. इट वाज यूज्ड when they were battles. They were used in race course, and they are used, in some like we have a zoo or something, so they are used there. They carry loads or carry people from one place to another. So horse का क्या रहता है ना कि they do a lot for their masters. For example, there is a war going on, and the king is fighting, so the horse also take lots of effort and does, is equally involved in that fight or war. But at the end, when the war gets over, there is no appreciation for the horse. There is all the appreciation you will see for the king or for the soldiers, and not for the horse. So the horse feels very unappreciated and not, been giving his due. ऐसी रेस कोर्स में, जब रेस कोर्स में घोड़े को भगाना होता है, तो वो पहले उसको एक बहुत क्रैम्प्ड स्पेसेस में रखते हैं, क्यों? उसको एक फीलिंग आ जाए ऑफ बीइंग क्रैम्प्ड, एंड देन दे लीव देम. तभी हॉर्स जो है, दे रन फॉर अ स्मॉल डिस्टेंस एंड दे रन वेरी वेरी फास्ट. देयर ऑल्सो, जो घोड़ा तेज भागता है उसकी वैल्यू पे यू gamble on them, so they are valued more. So it is always the performance, and agar ghoda haar jaye, तो there is a lot of embarrassment, so same kind of feeling you will see in lac equinum patients. I have told you about this horse thing, right? So abhi we'll come to humans. How will you identify lac equinum in patients? So basically they are very efficient, very organized. They are bothered by a lot of clutter. Like horse is a very capable animal, capable of running fast for short distances. They want to please their masters, but they all know that kitna bhi kar le, no matter how much hard they try, once they are not of any use, they'll be sent away. अगर घोड़ा अब भाग नहीं सकता तो उसका रेस कोर्स में कोई काम नहीं है, या वॉर में कोई काम नहीं है, या if he is not able to carry people, तो it's out of use and they get new horses, right? So the same feeling humans carry. So they are efficient, they are organized, they are capable, they are bothered by clutter, they have a lot of duty, too much sense of duty, they are responsible individuals, responsibility taking too seriously, they will work hard in their organization, right? And then when they do not get their due or they perform well, they do not perform good, there is a lot of embarrassment, right? So there is a rubric: ailments from embarrassment, poor job performance from so they are duty conscious, they are responsible individuals, but that is single lack equinem. But if they are not able to perform from that embarrassment, it is single lack equinem, राइट. सो दिस इज वन एंट्री कि आईटी में कोई काम कर रहा है या किसी भी कंपनी में काम कर रहा है एंड दे आर हार्ड वर्किंग एंड वेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबल इंडिविजुअल्स, एफिशिएंट, ऑर्गेनाइज्ड, एंड दे आर नॉट एबल टू परफॉर्म द वे इट इज एक्सपेक्टेड एंड बॉस ने सबके सामने कुछ बोल दिया या सबको पता चला तो बहुत एम्बैरेसमेंट उनको रहता है. उनको लगता है डिल्यूजन इंसल्टेड, डिल्यूजन सिंकिंग कि भैया आप they are going down in spite of all these attributes. They are sinking, they are insulted, embarrassment from a job, poor performance. This is one entry. Always remember this entry. Second entry of lack of equinem is, as I have already discussed, that they are responsible, duty conscious, so they have a lot of control over their organization, right? So if someone else, a third person comes in an organization and be their boss, जैसे ऑफिस में एक नया रिक्रूटमेंट हुआ, उसको बॉस बना दिया, एंड he feels that I am losing control over my organization. जो मैंने I developed this team, I developed this organization, now that person is taking the control. So सपोज एक घोड़ा बहुत टाइम तक एक रोज कोर्स में भाग रहा है, उसके मास्टर को प्लीज कर रहा है, और जब वो नहीं कर पा रहा है, किसी और को ले आए, तो उसको कैसा फील होगा? द सेम फीलिंग दैट पर्सन गोज थ्रू, दैट ही इज लूजिंग कंट्रोल ओवर हिज ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, राइट? तो I'll give you an example. For example, mother-in-law hai, and there is a daughter-in-law who comes to the house, and now she was very efficient and organized, and rest cannot when things are not in proper place. Duty, उसको अपना घर एकदम अच्छे से संभालती है, जब तक पूरा काम नहीं हो गया, she will not rest. And suddenly this daughter-in-law comes in the house and she feels कि यार मेरा जो कंट्रोल था घर पे, जैसे मैं जो बोलती थी सब होता था, I am losing that. Abhi, I'll give you an example of a case where I had prescribed lac equinem with wonderful result. She's also an old lady, and I asked her what bothers you. She had knee pain and joint pains and she's not able to work. So she said, when we were young, they were not supposed to be so many maids in the house, and it was a joint family. So we used to do everything from cooking and cleaning to घर का खाना, and everything was done by us. But आजकल सारी maids हैं, और उसके बावजूद भी ये बहुएं इतना धीरे धीरे काम करती रहती है. इससे मुझे बड़ी इरिटेशन होती है कि यार इनका 2 बजे तक खाना ही नहीं निपटता है, जबकि सब चीज के लिए बाइयां हैं और अभी कुछ कह नहीं सकते. तो यहाँ पे दोनों चीज थी. उसको ये भी लगता था कि जो उसका घर है उसका कंट्रोल जा रहा है, और दूसरा बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रूब्रिक है, यू विल सी लॉट्स ऑफ केसेस विद दिस, इज इरिटेबिलिटी. बिजनेस डज नॉट प्रोसीड फास्ट इनफ. जब काम तेजी से ना हो या उसकी मुताबिक स्पीड से ना हो तो उसको चिड़चिड़ होती. जब ये बहुएं धीरे धीरे काम करती है ना, मेरे को बड़ी चिड़चिड़ होती. मुझे लगता है पट करो यार, हम तो इतना कर लेते थे, right? So irritability, business does not proceed fast enough when poor job performance, एक entry हुई, hardworking individual दूसरी, when they are losing control over one's organization, and irritability, business does not proceed fast enough. थर्ड एंट्री है जो लोग बाहर से आते हैं, जैसे अमेरिका से, लंदन से, एंड दे नाउ कम टू इंडिया. सो यहाँ पे थोड़े अगर आप रूब्रिक्स देखेंगे, एंगर, ट्रैफिक इन, कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन, इनटॉलरेंट ऑफ इनफ्लेक्सिबल रूल्स, एंगर ड्राइविंग अ कार वाइल. तो कुछ केसेस ऐसे देखे गए हैं जब वो बोलते हैं ना कि यहाँ पे बहुत ट्रैफिक है, कोई रूल ही नहीं है, कुछ and they get very irritated and angry, you can think of lac equinem as a primary drug. Are you understanding? So these three are a very, very important points of lac equinem which you can use directly in your cases, right? Next, जब मैं प्रूविंग पढ़ रही थी लैक इक्विनम की, तो आई हैड कम अक्रॉस अ केस एंड सिमिलर केस आई हैड इन माय क्लिनिक. तो उस लड़के का केस मैं आपको बताती हूँ कि वो लड़का, मदर वॉज वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट एंड वो लड़का पढ़ाई में अच्छा था, बट द मदर इज ऑलवेज आफ्टर हिम, यू नो, अभी यूनिट टेस्ट हैं, अभी फाइनल एग्जाम्स हैं, टू स्टडी 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 स्टडी, एंड इज नेवर एंडिंग. एक खत्म नहीं होता है, दूसरा आ जाता है, दूसरा खत्म. आई थिंक देयर वाज सम डिस्टर्बेंस एंड पुअर नेटवर्क क्वालिटी जिसकी वजह से पॉज हो गया था. आई एम सॉरी. सो दैट चाइल्ड यूज टू फील कि एक खत्म नहीं होता है, दूसरा आ जाता है, दूसरा खत्म नहीं होता है, तीसरा एग्जाम हो जाता है. आई एम जस्ट टायर्ड, आई रियली डोंट वांट टू डू एनीथिंग, आई जस्ट वांट टू रेस्ट एंड टू गिव नो एग्जाम, प्ले, डोंट वांट टू प्ले, डोंट वांट टू एक्सेल इन एवरीथिंग, डू नथिंग. सो दैट काइंड ऑफ एग्जॉस्शन. आपको रूब्रिक्स ऐसे बहुत नहीं है, पर मटीरिया मेडिका में जब आप प्रूविंग पढ़ें तो आपको ऐसी फील आई है, एंड आई हैव गिवन लैक इक्विनम विद गुड रिजल्ट इन सच केसेस. जैसा मैंने आपको बोला कि घोड़ा तब तक ही यूजफुल है जब वो काम का है, जब वो काम का नहीं होता उसको भेज देते हैं, राइट? सो द सेम फीलिंग अ पेशेंट में हैव, यू नो, till the time I'm useful, it's you know, everything is good, but if I do not perform, I don't have any value. Are you understanding? So there are two ways you can, because we use our common rubrics like pursued, persecuted, well, so we come to a same set of remedies again and again, like bryonia, calcarea. I'm not saying they are very, very important, they are our bread and butter, but there are so many things which we don't know. And for example, today I took a case, and he told, I want to be a cricketer and I want to play for Indian cricket team, and I get dreams of sports. So when I was seeing dreams of sport only was covered by lac equinum, dreams of football and dreams of, you know, bicycle and various sports, if we see, it was covered by lac equinum. So lac equinum also has, they are physically very active, they want to run, they love horses, they want to play all types of sports because horse is an active animal, and they love lemonade. So if there is anxiety or something, lemonade, नींबू पानी पियेंगे and they feel relaxed. There is an extreme love for horses and riding on a horseback, कि अगर घुड़सवारी करी तो ये हमेशा नहीं मिलेगा, obviously, riding in a horseback, but these entry points of traffic and losing controls over one organization and you know, irritability business, I found them very, very interesting, and I've used in many cases with excellent results. Dreams of sports is very important in such cases. So what will they feel, you know? अभी ये मैंने आपको बताया, जैसे एफिशिएंट है, ऑर्गेनाइज्ड है, हार्ड वर्किंग है, एम्बिशियस है, अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टाइम पे लेते हैं, पर इनको अपना ड्यू नहीं मिला तो उनको क्या लगेगा? लाइफ इज अ स्ट्रगल, यू नो, हार्डशिप, लाइफ इज हार्ड, लाइफ में हमेशा स्ट्रगल ही रहा है. लोग ऐसे आके आपके सामने बात करेंगे, यू नो, कि it's difficult, life is hard, you know, it's always been a struggle and I have not got my due, you know. So that kind of version, delusions and feeling you will get in lac equinum. He's neglected his duty, he's failed, or there is an embarrassment, or he's insulted, he's not got his due, and the life is very, very hard. अभी घोड़ा जब वॉर पे जाता है तो उसको अपने जो लोग, मतलब घोड़े रह जाते हैं, उनकी चिंता रहती है. तो देयर इज अ सिंगुलर रूब्रिक, एंजाइटी, सेफ्टी ऑफ फैमिली फॉर, यू नो, सो सेफ्टी. अभी एक बच्चा जो मैं आपको बता रही हूँ स्पोर्ट्स का, वो मुझे क्या, उसकी मम्मी बोली कि उसको ना बहुत ऐसे रहता है कि हम कहीं बाहर जा रहे हैं तो ठीक से पहुंचे क्या, ठीक से ऑफिस पहुंच गए, कोई प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं है, आर वी सेफ? सो दिस, अभी normally what we take careful of others, anxiety others about, because we are not aware of this safety rubric, we will not take this rubric. Are you understanding? So you should be aware of so many rubrics that we have in our repertory, or at least try to find out rubrics which you are not aware. So anxiety, safety of a family, for we have single lac equinum. After studying this drug, I had given a voice message also in my pediatric telegram group, but I'm presenting after so many days because when I have tested in my patients and I've used this drug with good results and I wanted to share those cases, that is why it took me some time to present it, right? They love their children, loves profoundly her daughter. They love their daughters, but they are limited in their expressions. Yeah, so what love for sports, riding horseback ameliorates, love for a lemonade, what they desire, इतना हार्ड वर्क करने के बाद क्या मिल जाए, अप्रिसिएशन मिल जाए. घोड़े को बस एक पैट भी दे दिया ना बैक पे तो ही इज हैप्पी, तो थोड़ा अप्रिसिएशन मिल जाए ऑफ ऑल द हार्ड वर्क. एंड सारी आप लैक रेमेडीज में, मैंने लैक ह्यूमैनम में भी बताया था कि अथॉरिटी के साथ प्रॉब्लम रहेगा, और इन सब में या तो निग्लेक्टेड फील होगा, या मदर के साथ कोई इशू रहेगा, या मदर का निग्लेक्ट रहेगा, या डिल्यूजन निग्लेक्टेड, क्योंकि ये मिल्क रेमेडीज हैं. और अथॉरिटी के साथ प्रॉब्लम रहेगा. और तीसरा फीलिंग ऑफ अब्यूज्ड है, राइट? मैंने मैक्सिमम रेमेडीज में पढ़ा देयर इज अ फीलिंग ऑफ बीइंग अब्यूज्ड, सो एलिमेंट्स फ्रॉम बीइंग अब्यूज्ड. ओके, okay, what else? So these are the people who are very hardworking and industrious, and they want to be good at their work and their family. They're worried about the safety of family. You can confuse them with Nakswamika, but Nakswamika are not that very family oriented. Okay, so this is a small about lac equinum and horse. So read a little bit about a horse also, so that you understand the feeling that the horse goes through. हॉर्स को कहाँ कहाँ यूज किया गया है. आप प्रूविंग पढ़िए लैक इक्विनम की, एंड आप रूब्रिक्स पढ़िए. सो यू विल फाइंड लॉट ऑफ रूब्रिक्स दैट पेशेंट्स से. बट अभी बहुत बच्चे बोलते हैं ना स्पोर्ट्स खेलने का बहुत शौक है, पर स्पोर्ट्स का माइंड में रूब्रिक नहीं है, ड्रीम्स में रूब्रिक है. हिज ड्रीम इज टू प्ले फॉर इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम. आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग? सो ड्रीम ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स, जहाँ डिजायर्स आपको डायरेक्ट नहीं मिलता, यू कैन टेक इट इन ड्रीम्स ऑल्सो, बिकॉज ड्रीम्स आर अ रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ what you are, what you want, or what are your fears. It is the subconscious mind. Are you understanding? So any questions related to lac equinum, we'll quickly brush it up. कि horse कहाँ कहाँ use होते हैं, हमने ये समझा. Horse को main feeling क्या रहती है? So they are people who are efficient, organized, hardworking, ambitious. They are bothered by clutter. Their duty, too much sense of duty, responsibility taking too seriously. They cannot rest until things are in proper place. But if they do not get their due, they feel insulted, they feel neglected, they feel that they have failed, and from that failure there is a lot of embarrassment from poor job performance. They feel they are sinking, they are going down. And what I had said, one more thing. The life is a hardship, life is hard, delusion, struggle, everything is a struggle. जो लोग आके ऐसे बोलते हैं ना कि लाइफ तो पूरी स्ट्रगल में चली गई, बहुत हार्डशिप्स थी लाइफ में, हमेशा मैंने स्ट्रगल ही किया है, सब कुछ बड़ी मुश्किल से ही मिला. यू कैन थिंक ऑफ lac equinum, and in spite of all that, I am not getting what I should get. So history of abuse, hardworking individuals. ट्रैफिक से प्रॉब्लम हो, बाहर से कोई आया है और इरिटेबिलिटी टुवर्ड्स ट्रैफिक, यू शुड थिंक ऑफ lac equinum. पुअर जॉब परफॉर्मेंस की वजह से एम्बैरसमेंट है, यू थिंक ऑफ lac equinum. एंड थर्ड एंट्री पॉइंट इज इरिटेबिलिटी, बिजनेस डज नॉट प्रोसीड फास्ट इनफ. यार क्या धीरे धीरे काम कर रहे हो, बॉस को ना सब कुछ फास्ट चाहिए, अगर धीरे काम करो तो उसको इरिटेशन होती है. सो यू थिंक ऑफ lac equinum. आई होप यू आर स्टडिंग दीज लैक रेमेडीज, एंड इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चंस यू कैन पुट इट हियर. And I'm very, very thankful to you all that whatever little work that I'm doing, actually I'm not doing much, with so much love and affection that you have showered upon, me. It's really, really great. And I know I've not been taking seminars and webinars in last 2 months. We are planning one soon. So next Tuesday, today is Wednesday, not really. Okay. So next Wednesday we'll do it. Next Wednesday we'll do opium. So you can study the common remedies, and we'll come back to lac defloratum after that. So probably next 2 Wednesdays we'll do live, and next Wednesday we'll do opium, a common remedy. So study opium, keep your questions ready, and a Wednesday after that, I promise we'll take lactifluoratum. I'm already done with lactifluoratum. It's just that I have to present it. So what we'll try to do is we'll try to study some rare remedies and understand how to study a remedy, how to evolve a picture. कई बार क्या होता है, इतनी हिस्ट्री नहीं मिलती है, पर कुछ स्मॉल स्मॉल एंट्री पॉइंट्स आपको मिलते हैं. अगर आपको उतने एंट्री पॉइंट्स या उनको वो भी समझ में आ जाए ना, तो भी बहुत है. अभी आई हैड अ केस जिसकी मदर वो टेलिंग वन थिंग वेरी पर्टिकुलरली, कि अगर गेम में हार जाए ना तो इसको बड़ा गुस्सा आता है. अगर गेम मैंने उसको फेलियर ये वो बहुत कुछ दिया, तो पार्शल सिमिलर था. एंड रिसेंटली आई came across a rubric: anger win if he does not win, there is a lot of anger, and there is only one drug, that is placenta humana. Why I am telling all this is that we need to study. No matter, I have been practicing since 18 years, there's not even a day that I don't study. So whatever time you get, study, see your failure cases, try to understand new rubrics, write it down, put them so that next time comes you can always go back to your register and search. Common remedies are your bread and butter. You should know them thoroughly. There is no question about it. But side by side, study all these rare remedies like Triticum vulgare, vanilla, lac equinum, lac humanum. They are not that rare now. Believe me, vanilla, Triticum, we have lots of cases of those remedies as well. Thuja, ruta, dulcamara. Don't just restrict yourself from Natromure and Calcarea and Kalicab and Lyco. Grow yourself each day. Study some new rubrics. Make it a point that you study at least 5-10 rubrics new, and in a week study one remedy new. So please study lac equinum so that you can use lac equinum in your practice. Okay, are there any questions? I'll just wait for 2 minutes, or I'm not able to see them, I don't know. And in December, I'll be taking a webinar for, let's see, I've not planned, but for common remedies, as most of you want to study those common remedies, and I completely understand that. So we normally show 2 to 3 cases of one remedy, and we study all the entry points of that remedy that you can see in your practice. So I'll announce probably next Wednesday. I'll plan it, and we'll announce the webinar also. And I hope you all study. Don't get discouraged with your setbacks. And I always say that I really want all the female homeopaths who've been sitting at home and not been able to start their work, they should start their work now and think that it's never too late. So as I always end my small video YouTube live or this Facebook live by saying, so I'll do it again. Tajde musafir neend jag, तजदे मुसाफिर नींद जग, कुछ ना गया है, कल तो तेरा था, आज जग अब भी तेरा है. सो डोंट थिंक कि मेरे 5 साल चले गए, मेरे 10 साल मैंने बर्बाद कर दिए और अब नहीं कर पाऊंगी. यू कैन ऑलवेज स्टार्ट अफ्रेश. We all are learning. It's not that I know everything. We are learning from our seniors or from the stalwarts, unki books say. So nobody knows, and everybody has failures, and we all have, believe me, we all have failures. So please don't get discouraged. These new remedies I'm taking just to motivate you to study more and do more of hard work and come back to the practice and give good results to patient and keep working hard. So thank you all of you. See you all next Wednesday 2:30. We'll be doing opium. Okay, bye.